Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about the ways you can give advice. We already talked about this in the last level, Survive, but it's good to talk about this again. It's really important to give advice, to show empathy, to make friends in a foreign country, so you don't feel alone. So it's really nice to be nice to others. That way, you're going to be surrounded by nice people too. So, well, we're going to use these four verbs. They are, we already know some of them, if not all of them, but we're just going to make some little examples. So, let's have a look at this problem. This is a problem, you know. Quiero bajar de peso. ¿Qué hago? I want to lose weight. What do I do? So, then you hear somebody saying that, maybe a friend, right? You're having a conversation with a friend, and you're going to start giving this kind of advices. Tienes que, yeah, and then blah, 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 which means you have to, and then you put the rest of the thing here, the rest of the sentence. For example, tienes que hacer ejercicio 5 veces a la semana. You have to exercise 5 times a week. Good. I think that's good advice. Um, debes is like kind of you must, right? Um, Debes comer saludable. You must eat healthy. And I think that's the most important advice for this problem. And not too much. Oh, deberías is like you should. So it's a little bit softer than debes. Debes is like you must. Deberías is like you should. Deberías también tomar más agua. It's like you should also, también is also, you like deberías también tomar más agua. You should also drink more water. Yeah. And you can also use the verb poder, like can, like to be able to. You can say, puedes ayunar algunos días. You can fast like some days. Ayunar is to fast. Some people do it, some people don't do it. I don't know if this is good or not, to be honest, but yeah, it's an option. So as you can see here, like there are like four verbs that you can use to give advice. The advice you can give it in second person, tienes que, but you could also do it for third person, usted, which is you, but formal. Yeah, if you have to use the formal. So it's going to be tiene que hacer ejercicio 5 veces a la semana. So you remove the S if it's formal. Debe comer saludable. So instead of debes, it's debe comer saludable. Deberías también tomar más agua. Here is going to be debería también tomar más agua. Puedes ayunar algunos días. Puede ayunar algunos días. So that will be third person. Uh, Remember this third. No, it's the second person, but it's conjugated like with the third person. But it's second person formal. Is the usted. Remember that we use this usted in some regions, in some countries. So if you want to use it, you just have to remove the S. It's pretty easy. It's exactly the same thing, but without the S. That will be it. So that's it. When you go to the doctor might tell you these kind of things, like, okay, you you have to do this, you must do that. Yeah, tienes que comer mejor, debes ir al gimnasio, deberías también tomar más agua, puedes ayunar algunos días. Yeah. Sometimes people say necesitas, yeah, hacer. This is another one. Necesitas, yeah, it's like you need to, yeah. Necesitas. The thing is with necesitas is that for the verb to need, right? We use it more when you need nouns, like when you need money, you need a watch, you need a house. Yeah. Most of the times we use it with nouns, not with verbs afterwards. It's like I need to buy. So we don't say I need to buy. We say more like yo tengo que comprar. I have to buy. So the verb necesitar is more like for that, for nouns. But sometimes if you're in a real need of doing something, you use necesitar as well. So it's a verb that you can also use, but try not to use it for actions uh, like a lot. Try to use necesitar just for objects. It's better, yeah. As I mean, it's better because that's the way we say it. We use a lot more tienes que and necesitar just for nouns, unless it's like a real need, right? I need to pee, right? Necesito orinar. Then you can use it with no problem. That will be it. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Yeah, see you in the next video. If you wanna practice this, just just give advice, right? That's all you gotta do. So uh, it could be annoying, but give advice right away. I think people will appreciate it, to be honest. uh, they appreciate if you give advice, an honest advice, then if you're trying to help, and that's gonna bring you more social life as well and friends. uh, as well, flashcards, please don't forget to do them. That's really important. Notes and writing if writing helps you learning. And now, yeah, this time, yes, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye, hasta luego, ciao ciao.